Superlist versus Todoist, which productivity app is better? Choosing the right productivity app can completely change how you organize tasks without feeling overwhelmed. Superlist offers team collaboration while Todoist focuses on individual task management. Superlist and Todoist are popular productivity apps designed to help users manage tasks efficiently. The core difference lies in Superlist's emphasis on collaborative project management, whereas Todoist is built for streamlined personal task tracking and prioritization. Superlist is a collaborative productivity app designed to bring teams together through shared task lists and projects. It works by allowing users to create tasks, assign them to team members, and organize work into groups or projects with real-time updates. Its strength lies in seamless team communication and transparent task tracking, making it ideal for groups that need to coordinate closely. Superlist supports rich task details like comments, attachments, and deadlines, which keeps everyone aligned. However, its focus on collaboration can make it more complex for users who only need simple task lists. It may require some onboarding time for teams new to collaborative tools. Superlist is best suited for teams and organizations looking for an integrated workspace to manage projects and tasks together efficiently. Todoist is a personal productivity app that helps users organize tasks with simple, intuitive interfaces. It works by allowing users to create tasks, set priorities, and categorize them with labels or projects. Todoist's strength is its clean design and powerful task management features, like recurring tasks, reminders, and productivity tracking. It supports integrations with calendars and other tools, enabling users to keep all their tasks in one place. Todoist is lightweight and easy to use, making it perfect for individuals who want to boost personal productivity without the complexity of team collaboration features. Its limitation is that it lacks built-in team communication tools, so it's less ideal for managing group projects. Todoist is ideal for solo users or small teams who need a straightforward app to manage daily tasks and deadlines. Superlist and Todoist serve different productivity needs. Superlist excels in team environments where collaboration and task transparency are critical, offering real-time updates and shared workspaces. In contrast, Todoist shines for individuals or small teams focused on personal task management with easy prioritization and reminders. If you need to coordinate projects with multiple contributors, Superlist's communication and assignment features provide a clear advantage. However, if your main goal is to organize your own tasks efficiently with minimal setup, Todoist's simplicity and integration options are preferable. The trade-off is between the depth of collaboration in Superlist and the streamlined personal productivity of Todoist. Choose Superlist if your focus is on team collaboration and managing complex projects with shared visibility and communication tools. Opt for Todoist if you want a clean, easy-to-use app for personal task management with powerful features like reminders and labels. Both apps offer strong productivity benefits, so select the one that best fits your workflow and team size.